I'm Ryan Roossinck, and today we're at the Kinzenbaw collection. Come on along, let's go poke around. Today we're taking a sneak peek at what's on John Kinzenbaw's upcoming collector auction. John, this is one of the tractors, this Massey 1130 is one of the tractors that you're selling on your auction this fall in November. What caught your eye about it when you picked it up, when you added it to the collection?
Probably the fact that it is a sharp looking tractor, and it was well done when it was restored. I did not restore it, but I bought it this way. And the narrow front was another thing that I kind of like. I've got several different model tractors with narrow fronts, and this would be one of them.
So when this sells, and I'm asking you to look kind of into the crystal ball a little bit, but do you think this is going to draw more of the nostalgia bidder for, the narrow front and the good looks, or is it going to be more the serious collector because you just don't see too many Massey 1100, 1130, 1150s coming across the block that have been nicely restored like this? Or is it a blend of both?
It could be a blend of both. I think that it's a sharp looking tractor, the color combination, the fact it's got the narrow front, the new tires, it's just well set up for its period in time.
And it was, what, a 130 horse, I think?
I think I remember it had 130 horsepower, which would have put it, I think it was their first turbocharged tractor that Massey put out. And I'm guessing I may be speaking out of turn here, but I think it's probably a Perkins engine.
I think it is. I kind of think it's a Perkins 354.
Sounds
I'm
about
looking
right.
over here at the engine like it's going to give me the answer.
354 sounds about right.
Yeah, they use Perkins. Perkins always seem to be able to make more power with less cubes. And, there's a handful of Masseys out there that did that.
Yeah.
So that was just one of the nearly 150 tractors coming up on John's auction. Stay tuned, we got more coming.